Okay, Panther and Coco are done wrestling, so Nugget took over. Panther's still kind of deciding if he wants to go and join them, but for right now, uh-oh! Oopsie. Oopsie, what happened, Nugget? Are you coming back? Are you coming back? Coco, where did he go? Now you're gonna have to bug Panther again. Nugget found something else that's much more interesting. Chewing the box. Yep. Except, it would be really great if you were not chewing it, so let's try to distract you. Yeah, let's try to distract you, my friend. Panther, are you interested in this? It did get Nugget's attention. Hey, Nugget. What is this? You didn't know this toy. This is the first time you've seen it, guys, huh? Mama got to play with it earlier today, but not you yet. Oh my goodness. Coco, are you scared of it? Mama's not. Mama's like, I know this by now. Uh-oh. Panther. Oh, are you scared? Oh, that's too cute. Oh, Coco. Funny.